yawning? Okay, I staved it off a little bit.
Oh no.
There it is.
There it is. Are you awake? You gonna be okay?
Yeah. Welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up. It's been a minute we had a follow-up.
It's been like 2 minutes.
Yeah, it's been like 2 minutes. It hasn't been that long, actually.
It's been a crazy couple of weeks for me.
But we're back back at it.
We're back.
The boys are back at it again. The boys are back in town.
That's not how the fucking song goes.
Dude, last week's project was pallet wood. Should we be standing this close to it? Pallet
It's
wood.
deadly.
Steve Ramsey said, "Don't lick pallet wood."
Did he?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fucking die.
Oh god. Dude, it's popular. Just like next week's project.
There it is. You can't see it.
So yeah, I think people like the pallet wood wall. I don't know what to call it.
It's a decorative knick-knack shelf.
I got the idea from my cousin Keith.
I met him. He's got a handlebar mustache.
Yeah, dude, Keith does cool facial hair stuff. Yeah, I heard from Mary. She thought I came out very nice and said she doesn't think she appreciates poplar enough.
Is poplar not very popular with you, Mary?
Interestingly enough, that'll be the next wood in the wood species thing.
Too bad for Mary.
And I had my Taco Bell shirt in that video. Gary said, Taco Bell sponsored this channel already.
What would your sponsorship even entail? Like, they just give you a taco party pack every week to shoot videos with?
Yeah.
Promo code /meanie weenie.
You could get $5 off your $5 dinner box or whatever. Gary said he's glad to see I wasn't injured working with deadly pallet wood.
He's still alive.
It was risky, Gary. I didn't have pallet wood in mind for this project. It was one of those, like, I'm in between paychecks. And this is the wood I have.
Out of necessity.
You can probably go back on my channel and just kind of like, just look through the videos and be like, I bet that was in between paychecks. And Bobby Slack liked it. Said he made something similar, also out of pallet wood, for keys and mail. I have a pallet wood mail holder and a pallet wood key rack. Did you see that?
You don't have any birds in your house.
I might. I moved that because I made a better one.
Keep your pens in there.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I can't get my pen back now.
Ah, dude, suck ass, bro.
Dude, it's in there.
Dude.
You don't have to get it out if you don't want to.
Okay, whatever.
Oh
no! What the hell?
Well,
Just kidding. Oh, you got it, dude.
After all that,
Y'all remember this step stool? I'm gonna use it.
everybody, look, Caleb's taller than me for once.
There we go. What the hell, dude?
There's much to do about nothing.
I think that's about it. I've got another wood species video filmed. Today's Monday. Today's Wednesday, but also today's Monday.
In real life, today's Monday.
In real life, presently, today's Monday. In real life, as this is being published, it's Wednesday. So we filmed this 2 days ago. But we're filming it right now.
It's like time travel if you think about it.
If you like this video, what is the whole spiel? Dude, weekly question. Got that big blue store and that big orange store. You know what I'm talking about.
You're forgetting one.
Home Depot, Lowe's.
Don't forget where you came from. Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight.
Yeah.
I guess we could throw Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight is like Hobby Lobby for men. Yeah.
So really what I want to know is, you know how you get like the Ford guys and the Chevy guys? You have the Lowe's guys and the Home Depot guys. And I want to know what y'all are, so.
And the Harbor Freight guys.
I was always a Lowe's guy for the longest time, and their customer service is like, I've been getting shafted by their customer service, so I've since started shifting my business over to Home Depot. The one thing about Home Depot that I don't like is there's no half-inch oak or pine. They only have half-inch poplar. The Lowe's here, it may be different other places, but the Lowe's here, you know that like stereotype about Walmart employees, like that how Walmart has like 18 registers but only one person at a register? Well, that's what it's like at our Lowe's. You have like a line backed up to the paint section and only one person at a register. And you're like sitting there with lumber or tools or supplies, and you're just like, guess I'll stand here for 30 minutes. What are you, Adam?
Me?
Lowe's, Home Depot, or even Harbor Freight?
I like Harbor Freight. Personally, it's more entertaining to go look at Harbor Freight. I mean, Lowe's and Home Depot, they both have. I mean, I'm a DIY guy, but I'm not a woodworker. I'm not a carpenter. At best, I'm a shade tree mechanic. Honestly, Harbor Freight, when I need to go get cheap tools to finish a job,
An aooga horn.
Or an aooga horn. You can get aooga horns for your car at Harbor Freight. They just have a lot of interesting things and just weird little organizers for dirt cheap.
Yeah, I want to know what y'all prefer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Adam, what do thumbs ups do for videos?
It puts an algorithm in your butt.
So give the video a like, and something with the algorithm. Subscribe to this channel. I have brand new woodworking videos every Friday, and I've had that wood species thing going on, which I'm getting a pretty positive response to that. I'll see you on Friday, and then we'll both see you next Wednesday. There's a little light in there.